GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhon, and this is Governance Matters. Today, we're diving into the crucial role that stake pool operators, or SPOs, will play in Voltaire governance. Many of you know SPOs as the backbone of Cardano's network, responsible for block production and maintenance. But in the Voltaire era, their role expands significantly into the realm of governance. Before we dive into their new governance roles, let's quickly recap the traditional duties of stake pool operators. SPOs are the workhorses of the Cardano network. Their primary responsibility is to maintain and run the nodes that process transactions and produce new blocks. This involves setting up and managing the hardware and software required to run these nodes, ensuring high uptime and reliability. SPOs also play a crucial role in network decentralization by offering a way for ADA holders to delegate their stake and participate in the network's consensus mechanism. They're responsible for configuring their pools, setting fees, and maintaining their performance to attract delegators. In essence, SPOs have been the technical backbone of Cardano, ensuring the network's smooth operation and security. Now, let's break down the key areas where SPOs will have a voice in the new Voltaire era. First, let's look at motions of no confidence. SPOs will have the power to vote on motions of no confidence for the Constitutional Committee. This means that they're holding the other branches of the government accountable, and it ensures that the network's best interests are always at the forefront. Next, SPOs will participate in electing Constitutional Committee members and changing the parameters for the Constitutional Committee. This committee plays a vital role in interpreting and applying Cardano's constitution, so SPO input here is crucial. Third, SPOs are responsible for voting to initiate hard forks. When major changes to the Cardano protocol are proposed, SPOs are going to have a say in initiating the hard forks. This ensures that those running the network have a voice in its evolution. Finally, SPOs will be responsible to vote on security-related protocol parameters. Their hands-on experience with the network makes their insight invaluable in these technical decisions. This expanded role transforms SPOs from operators of network infrastructure to active participants in Cardano's governance. It's a testament to the decentralized nature of Cardano, where those who maintain the network also have a say in its future. Remember, good governance is about balancing different stakeholders' interests. By including SPOs in these crucial decisions, Cardano is ensuring that the technical realities of running the network are always considered in governance decisions. This episode of Governance Matters was made possible by a grant from Intersect. GM Cardano is a production of Melody Studios. Support good governance on Cardano by sharing this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.